Hello everyone and welcome to Into Choral with the Voices Foundation. It's great to have you with us. Our Into Choral sessions will help you dive deeper into quality choral repertoire and will provide some additional support with how to teach these songs to your choir. My name is Charles MacDougall and together we'll be exploring my favourite warm-ups, songs from around the world and much more. We'll be here every Monday until the end of term to get you excited and inspired to keep singing. Without further ado then, let's get stuck in, warmed up and ready to sing. Copy me. Great warm-up, guys. Well done. Well, I know that we'll be feeling more ready to sing after our warm-up, so let's move on to our song. It's called Furusato, and it's a beautiful Japanese folk song full of nostalgia, all about longing for home. Have a listen as I sing the first verse, and see if you can hear what it is that I carry with me, no matter where I end up on my travels. Back in the mountains I knew as a child, fish filled the rivers and rabbits ran wild. Memories, I carry these wherever I may roam. I hear it calling me, my country home. Well, memories, I carry these wherever I may roam. That's what I take with me on my journey. So let's learn the words. My turn and your turn. Back in the mountains I knew as a child. Back in the mountains I knew as a child. Fish filled the rivers and rabbits ran wild. Fish filled the rivers and rabbits ran wild. Memories, I carry these wherever I may roam. Memories, I carry these wherever I may roam. I hear it calling me, my country home. I hear it calling me, my country home. Well done. Don't worry if you don't have all of those words just yet. We'll pick some more of them up as we learn the melody. So now I'll sing a phrase and you sing it back to me. Back in the mountains I knew as a child. Back in the mountains I knew as a child. Back in the mountains I knew as a child. Back in the mountains I knew as a child. Fish filled the rivers and rabbits ran wild. 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 Memories, I carry these wherever I may roam. 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 I hear it calling me, my country home. 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 Well done. Let's try now to make those sections longer. I'll sing the first two phrases and then you copy them, and then I'll sing phrase 3 and 4 and you'll copy those. Back in the mountains I knew as a child, fish filled the rivers and rabbits ran wild. Back in the mountains I knew as a child, fish filled the rivers and rabbits ran wild. Memories, I carry these wherever I may roam. I hear it calling me, my country home. Memories, I carry these wherever I may roam. I hear it calling me, my country home. Well done. Now let's try the whole song together. All 4 phrases together. Off we go. Back in the mountains I knew as a child, fish filled the rivers and rabbits ran wild. Memories, I carry these wherever I may roam. I hear it calling me, my country home. Well done. Now, did you see at the end there, we like to hold home for just a little bit longer than we've been holding any of the notes at the end of any of the other phrases. And that gives it a sense of conclusion of the verse. So let's just practice singing home for the length that I want you to sing it, and getting our at the end of home together. So if my hand is open, home, I want you to keep singing the word. And then when you see my hand close, we put the home. Let's give it a go. Home. Home. I might make it a bit longer now. Home. And now watch out. Home. Did I catch you out? Let's try that again. Home. I'm sure you were with me that time. And now the proper length in context. I hear it calling me, my country home. Beautiful. Now, it's not just the final note of the final phrase that we need to get together, but we need to make sure we end every phrase together. So see if you can spot, as we sing it, the gesture that I use to make sure that we finish each phrase together and take a breath. Let's give it a go. Off we go. Back in the mountains I knew as a child, fish filled the rivers and rabbits ran wild. Memories I carry these wherever I may roam. I hear it calling me, my country home. Well done. I'm sure we got those endings together. Always watching me to make sure that we're really precise about when we stop singing and when we breathe. Now, this is a very, very beautiful melody, and we need to sing it with real legato. That's the Italian word that we use in music to mean smooth. So now let's just have a go at humming the melody. Now I want your hum to be as smooth as it can possibly be. No bumps. Off we go. Very good. Making sure that we never sing but really smoothly. Let's try now to do it to ooh, ooh, off we go. Ooh, ooh. Let's stop there and let's think about how we can imagine being even more smooth. And I'd like you to move your arms around as though you're just moving water if you're in a pool very gently, or swirling the air around you. But no jolted movements, just always moving your hands really smoothly. Let's do it together. They can move any way you like as long as they're smooth. Off we go. Ooh. Beautifully smooth. So, the next time we sing this, we'll try and put that smooth singing into the song. So before we sing the song for the final time, let's remember what we said the song was about. We said nostalgia, a longing, a remembering of home and things dear and special to us. So just take a minute to think of somewhere that is very special to you, or perhaps a group of people, your friends or your family who you love very much, and perhaps you haven't seen those people or that place for a very long time. And I'd like you to hold that place in your mind as you sing this song, and remembering all of those beautiful bits of work we've done to make it the most beautiful we can. Let's do that now. And two. Back in the mountains I knew as a child, fish filled the rivers and rabbits ran wild. Memories I carry these wherever I may roam. I hear it calling me, my country home. Beautiful stuff. We've only had time to work on the first verse today, but if you want to learn the rest of the song and even have a go at learning some harmony, head to the Voices Foundation website where you'll find the Songs of Home resource. You'll find Furusato and many more songs in that collection. If you have something you want to share or celebrate about today's session, we would love to hear from you. Use the hashtag VFInterchoral on any of our social media platforms to stay in touch with us. Thanks so much for being with us today. We hope you enjoyed yourself and look forward to seeing you again. Bye bye.